Assuming you're searching for Velo cost expectations, gauge for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030 and generally need to know where the costs of Velo will go from here on out, or so they thought. We will investigate the previous costs of Velo and will commonly figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activity. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to take this forecast in each and every expectation with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master experts. Also, foreseeing something so wonderful is totally unimaginable, which is genuinely huge. However, we will make an honest effort, which is very huge. We should begin, which is genuinely critical. Velo kind of past value examination. As per the in every way that really matters, most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of Velo is $0. Velo explicitly is at present position number 481 in the whole crypto environment. The core supply of Velo is 4,984,154,058 with a market cap of $31,393,663, with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Velo's cost has shown a decent increment of 7.23% in the very most recent 24 hours. Velo is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with commonly other crypto coins incredibly. The Velo is down to nearly 25.81% in the sort of most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for recent days. The coin could really major areas of strength for have in any case. We don't basically feel that it would a productive resource in present moment. Notwithstanding, after the contrasting the ongoing cost and recent days cost history, it is seen that Velo sort of has expanded 60.928% in its worth. The typical lease cost for the month is $0. Greatest most certainly normal cost was $0. This suggests that this coin is a reasonable resource and another expansion to sort of your arrangement of coins for especially long haul. The 90 days cost change is around 82.08% and the cost circled from a base kind of typical cost of $0. Greatest normal cost of $0 the beyond 90 days. In most recent 4 months Velo generally has shown a developing pattern. Hence, we imagine that comparable pieces of the market were very famous at that period incredibly. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Velo really is expanded from 4 months in an unobtrusive manner. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost. The coin sort of is up by 77.00% with the truly greatest typical cost of the coin was around $0. The base typical value of was around $0 beyond 4 months in an unobtrusive way. We truly anticipate future Velo cost expectations. Velo figure by applying profound certainly man-made reasoning helped specialized examination on the past value information of Velo, which for the most part is very critical. We do our barely awesome to truly gather greatest authentic information for the Velo coin which generally incorporate numerous boundaries like past value, Velo market cap, Velo volume and kind of hardly any more, which is genuinely huge. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into computerized digital currencies and explicitly need kind of good profit from really your speculations, make a point to generally peruse our expectations. Velo value expectation 2023 as per our sort of profound specialized examination on past value information of Velo. In 2023 the cost of Velo is gauged to be at around a base worth of $0 in unpretentious manner. The Velo value worth can explicitly arrive at a limit of $0, the typical exchanging worth of $0 USD. Velo value expectation 2024 the cost of Velo essentially is in every way that really matters, anticipated to reach at least degree of 1 cent in 2024 in an unpretentious manner. The Velo cost can arrive at an exceptionally most extreme degree of 1 cent with the typical cost of 1 cent all through 2024 in an unobtrusive manner, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Velo value gauge for 2025 according to the estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2025 the cost of Velo is anticipated to truly reach at least degree of 1 cent. The Velo cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of 1 cent with the typical exchanging cost of 1 cent, or so they thought. Velo value expectation 2026 according to the gauge and specialized examination. In 2026 the cost of Velo is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of 2 cents. The Velo cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of 2 cents with the very normal worth of 2 cents. Velo value forecast 2027 as per our profound specialized examination on genuinely past value information of Velo. In 2027 the cost of Velo especially is anticipated to reach at any rate level of 3 cents. The Velo cost can arrive at a greatest degree of 4 cents with the typical exchanging cost of 3 cents. Velo value expectation 2028 Velo cost truly is conjectured to really arrive at a least conceivable degree of 4 cents in 2028. According to our discoveries, the Velo cost could especially arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of 5 cents with the typical gauge cost of 4 cents. Velo value expectation 2029. The cost of one Velo is supposed to reach at an especially least degree of 6 cents in 2029. The Velo cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of 8 cents with the exceptionally normal cost of 7 cents all through 2029. Or so they thought. Velo value gauge 2030. Velo cost explicitly is figured to arrive at an essentially the most minimal sort of conceivable degree of 9 cents in 2030. According to our discoveries, the Velo cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of 12 cents with the typical figure cost of 10 cents. Or so they thought. Velo value expectation 2031. The cost of Velo is most certainly anticipated to reach at least worth of 14 cents in 2031. The Velo cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of 17 cents with the typical exchanging cost of 15 cents all through 2031. Or so they basically thought. Velo value forecast 2032. The cost of Velo is for the most part anticipated to reach at least worth of 20 cents in 2032. The Velo cost could arrive at a truly most extreme worth of 24 cents with the typical exchanging cost of 21 cents all through 2032, which is very critical. What will sort of be the Velo most elevated figure cost for 2023? Incredibly, the Velo cost is supposed to by and large arrive at a sort of most extreme degree of $0 the finish of 2023. What amount will Velo be somewhat worth in 5 years? In 5 years, Velo will essentially have a base cost of 4 cents and a fundamentally most extreme cost of 3 cents per Velo. Since Velo is exchanged on a market interest premise, its worth changes definitely. What for the most part is the Velo cost today? Today Velo is exchanging at $0, the market cap of $31,393,663. Is Velo a very wise venture? Velo's worth is supposed to explicitly keep on extending, as deficiency will in general essentially support cost rise, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Kindly note, there is a gamble to any speculation. Just by and large put resources into what you can achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and lead the most extreme examination conceivable. What amount will Velo be worth in 2030? As far as value, Velo basically has an extraordinary potential to arrive at new levels. Basically, it is estimated that Velo will increment in esteem, or so they especially thought, as per by and large unambiguous specialists and business experts. Velo can raise a ruckus around town, the most exorbitant cost of 24 cents till 2030. How much does Velo cost in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? The cost of Velo will increment as additional financial backers engage in the venture in an unpretentious way. In year 2024, Velo will be really worth about a normal cost of 1 cent, in spite of prevalent thinking. How certainly high could Velo at any point go, in opposition to mainstream thinking? The typical cost of Velo could go to $0 the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year plan, it is assessed that the coin will handily come to the 3 cents mark. What for the most part is the fate of Velo? The eventual fate of Velo basically is exceptionally subject to the general exhibition of the crypto business. With regards to putting resources into Velo, you really want to make in every practical sense sure that you generally are involving the right procedure in an unpretentious manner. This kind of venture truly isn't a